There is a critical need for groundwater surveyors who evaluate the quantity and quality of groundwater resources across the country. Uttam Nagar is a highly crowded area of Delhi, hence surveyors like these are very important there. Groundwater is very important for home and agricultural use in Uttam Nagar, as it is in many parts of Delhi. However, rapid development and overexploitation have led to a precipitous decline in Uttam Nagar's groundwater levels. In order to assess the existing state of groundwater resources in the region and provide recommendations for their sustainable management, the services of groundwater surveyors are required. When it comes to environmental and geotechnical surveys, SCON Design is the company to call. They are the most qualified to investigate the state of groundwater in Uttam Nagar because of their extensive experience in this field. Hydrogeologists with years of experience and access to state-of-the-art equipment are part of SCON Design's team of experts. The first step of the study is to assess the existing groundwater levels in Uttam Nagar. Putting in monitoring wells in key spots across the region allows for this to be accomplished. Sensors in these wells take frequent readings of the groundwater level. A comprehensive map of groundwater distribution in Uttam Nagar is generated after data from these wells is analyzed. This data is useful for pinpointing the places most at risk of exploitation and developing effective preservation plans. The work of field surveyors is essential in many fields, from building and infrastructure to transportation and community development. Experts in this field make site visits to gather relevant information and data from physical sites. Field surveyors are in high demand in Uttam Nagar, a busy neighborhood in Delhi, because of the city's rapid expansion and development in the area. Field surveyors are crucial to the success of any project, and companies like SCON Design know this. Uttam Nagar, in Delhi's southwestern region, has grown rapidly in recent years. The demand for trustworthy information has grown in importance as the number of building projects in the region rises. Field surveyors play an important role in this process. Geographers are experts in measuring and mapping a site's boundaries, terrain, and existing structures using cutting-edge technology and methods. The designers of SCON Design, a reputable Delhi agency, know how important field surveys are to the success of their projects. They employ professional land surveyors in Uttam Nagar to guarantee that their plans are based on precise measurements and data. During the design process, architects and engineers benefit from the thorough reports and drawings provided by field surveyors. This aids in avoiding unnecessary